As Aquaman and a native Hawaiian, fell in love with the ocean. I'm very connected to it.
So many species are losing the habitats they need to survive.
Humanity is now facing a gigantic wave. We're drowning in plastic pollutions, the climate is changing, and we're losing animal species at a dramatic rate. This is a wave we need to take head on.
And it's vital we do all we can to halt this decline.
We're working on a story where the outcome is still uncertain. But we have to remember, we still have our hand on the pen, and the World Restoration Flagship programs is a great example of the chapters that we need to write to create a happy ending.
Let's do our part to bring forward a better change.
People are innovating, inspiring, and creating jobs.
Despite challenges like climate change, all these projects succeed in protecting what was left and bringing back what was lost.
We want to celebrate World Restoration Flagships.
Humanity and nature make up a community of life with a shared future.
Together, I believe we can do this.
Let's generate and restore.
It's you and your projects that truly give us hope for a brighter future.
Aloha nui loa. Aloha. Love you.